Let's learn the blues scales in the key of E flat. And we're going to be looking at the two blues scales. The first one is going to be this one. And you look at this. This is played faster. But me and you still learning, still a beginner, right? We're still learning. So with time, we get there, right? The more time we put in practice, is the more we're going to get better with this. Now, let's see this again when we're ascending. So 1, 2, sharp 2, 3, 5, 6, back to 1 again. When you descend, it's the same thing. So 1, 6, 5, 3, sharp 2, 2, 1. Now let's see how you can use that in a song, and then let's just use the "We Lift Him Higher" song, right? Just gonna take just one part, and then I'll show you how I use that in a song, right? We lift him higher, we lift him higher, we lift him higher. The praises goes up, His glory comes down. Let's do that again. We lift him higher, we lift him higher. When the praises goes up, my scale, blue scale, His praises come down. Let's do when the praise goes higher again. When the praises goes up, my blue scales, His praises come down. So when you're even more faster, you can add this. I mean, as more like you know when you add your passing chords, right? So yeah, you can just add this just before you move to your next key, and that's how you get to use the first blues scales. Yeah, let's look at the second one, which you can use in a praise break or when the preacher is singing, and it's gonna be this one here. When you descend, so it's a 1, sharp 2, 4, sharp 4, 5, sharp 6, back to 1 again. When you descend, it's the same thing. 1, sharp 6, 5, sharp 4, 4, sharp 2, 2, 1. And then when the preacher is preaching, instead of just playing your one ear before you go to one, you can just play this. Hallelujah, give God the praise when the preacher is preaching, right? Or maybe when the worship comes, obviously they're leading you into worship and say, let's give God a big hand of praise, right? And the band is coming in, you can just play this. One. And I mean, this one is optional. You don't have to add this. It's not part of the scale, this one. I just love adding this. It's just up to you. I mean, from obviously after you play this here, from here, when you're here, then it's up to you which chords you want to add into your playing. But usually in my case, I'll just pull just jazzy vibe here. I hope you learned something and you're gonna use this in your playing.